and you're doing it yourself, your partner. So you're doing it very,
efficiently.
what's the,
Yeah.
yeah, right,
I'm
exactly,
not. I'm basically trying to salvage everything, anything and everything that is out there. So
yeah,
let's say if the refrigerator is not broken, not still working, but it's little, I mean, not in very good condition, and see if that can be salvageable with I'm not changing it to stainless appliance. If I have
yes,
a client where they're looking for just not very top of the end units, right? So
hmm
that's how we are segregating. So I'll place that refrigerator over there, and as long as it is a
sure,
refrigerator
smart,
versus the units which is
yeah,
really nicer ones where we are charging a little more, where we are
yeah,
replacing with the new one. Like cabinets, the same thing. We are painting as much as we can to, and the
yeah.
door knobs we are just changing, all
Awesome.
those things.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. This is a very great success story. I really love that. I'm sure you have also documented so that you can make a movie out of it as
Right.
you build your brand. I always say that because you're starting, this is one which is fantastic case study that your investors would love to know that, people like to invest money with the people. I mean, so your trust, your track record, and everything, and seeing it already done will
Exactly.
give them confidence to give you more money and more money and more money. That's the
Absolutely.
name of the game.
Exactly. And we are treating it as if, like, even if it's a single dollar that I have to spend, I basically
Mm.
look at it, is it really required? If it
Yeah,
is required and it is well invested, right? I mean,
yeah,
I'm not just, just because I have to change,
yeah.
I'm doing it, right? So that's why we are being very, very conservative, and that's why our
Very
rehab
good.
budget is still very low. I mean, so far we
Mm.
have invested about, so four buildings are out of six buildings, four the smaller units are all almost there, almost
Oh,
ready to be
wow,
rented.
wow,
The
wow.
two big buildings, one is 36 unit and one is a 12 unit. Those are the only one remaining right now, which I
I
am
see.
anticipating in 2 to 3 months. We should be able to do it as well. And so
Beautiful.
far we are averaging out somewhere around 3,500 a door.
I see. 35. So 76, 35, what 210, 250.
Two
Let's see.
15, yeah. Initially,
Yeah.
initially,
Mm.
even the seller said that, hey, if you bring in 600, 700 K, you should be able to, reposition all of them. And when I looked at it and I said, he said that, that's a very good number because in 6,000, $7,000 a door, if you put in, you make these
Mm.
units really nice. And the same
Yeah.
comes and sees, and he says that, hey, how much you spent it? It looks amazing. And I say that, yeah, it is nowhere close to 7,000 that you were anticipating. So, I mean,
Yeah.
I'm not bragging, but I'm saying that,
Yeah.
maybe that person was even the local, but he was very remote. He didn't know, how much a
Hmm.
contractor will charge him to change